Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So I've got a couple of reasons why I'm going to do this video today. The first one is I had a chat with a lady called Heather in this conversation here. She has requested me to make a little piggy. And the second reason, I haven't made a piggy in about 20 years. So I'm going to give it another go, and then it's going to become a little present for someone who may or may not watch this video. So here we go. Okay, I'm not starting with much today. So what I've got here is a mixture of Sculpting and Fimo, all sorts of stuff, but it is a little bit of a pinky colour. You don't need to start with any particular colour yourself. Just go for whatever colour you'd like to make the pig from. Then what I've got here is a little bit of black, and this is going to be for the eyes, and then a little bit of blusher for the cheeks. So onto the tools, as I always do, two dotting tools that I've got here, my craft knife and a tissue blade. May not need the tissue blade, but I've got it out just in case. So I'm going to make a start. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what little piggy looks like now. So I had an absolute blast. He was really fun to make, and as you saw, he is really easy to make as well. Lots of little balls, put them all together, and yeah, you have a little piggy really easily. And then obviously the blusher worked really well on his cheeks, and then off camera I just stuck some glitter on because, you know, it's not clay for me without glitter. I also popped some on his bum as well. So he's got a little twirly tail here, which I thought was incredibly cute, and then his little bow. So there you go. So this is how you make a little piggy from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Piggy. Why can't I speak English? Blushery cheeks, little blushery cheeks. We'll put them together and oh, yeah.